Good evening, Bios Baptist Church. I don't think you can see the board very well, but the reason why the World Heritage speech has been delayed for so long is particularly because of the funeral and scheduling conflicts. So, sometimes certain events in our lives get in the way. So I'm gonna have them move the board a little closer so that you could see what I am doing here. I did not bring a eraser. So as we go through life, we will have difficulties. We will have struggles. We will have challenges. This week I had to bury my grandmother. She was 96 years of age. And it was a very difficult time for me. Now, there was a lot of chaos during the week. I had to make programs for her funeral. So, therefore, that Monday, I could not do the speech. The week prior to that, my phone, I left it in my pants and put the pants in the washroom to be washed. And yes, my mom does assist, or First Lady Sinclair does assist in doing laundry. So therefore, the pants got washed. They were thrown in the washing machine. And then in addition to that, thrown in the dryer. You know what happened. After after all that trauma, the phone no longer worked. So out of a phone, I could not record the speech anyway because I was coming up to do it. But because the phone got washed, so what happened was when we do get it back, see, we have rules here at BIOS. So therefore, we have to do video number one before we do video number two, before we do video number three, before we do video number four. So if there is a film stoppage at video number two, and we make it down to video number five, we can't just record video five and then record video three and then record video two and then record video four. We have to do four, five, and then, two, three, four, and then five. So therefore, the World Heritage, we can change the content, but each video has a date on it. Each video has a date. So that date has a barcode. So we have to do all of that week's videos and then we have to come make the program. We couldn't film that week. So we have to do all of those videos makeup after the funeral. And then here it is again. Now the phone doesn't have enough storage because as you can see, all our videos aren't getting through. So we're testing this right now. We're using a different camera. If you're wondering how come you're able to see all the way over here, I think is because we're using a laptop camera, a webcam on the laptop. If it works, then this might be the permanent method to filming in our churches. So this films straight to the internet. So, the whole object of people posting comments on YouTube, vanity comments. Now remember, I told y'all to go back and read John. This is a new assignment. I just put this up just this morning. And we're meeting back for our secondary. Now there's no people over here, there's no people over there, there's no people right here. But you over there in that corner know that John is right there to read. You're supposed to be reading it. So I come here to teach. Now you see, when I'm dressed like this, I'm a teacher. I'm not pastoring. I'm not preaching. I'm just teaching. So, therefore, I don't want to see where's the other half of the video, Marv. I don't want to see that being posted on my YouTube page anymore. All I want to see is, well done, Headmaster Sinclair. And then comments about the video itself in that manner. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for swearing. I'm not looking for rude and disrespectfulness because God doesn't want it either. If you keep doing this, the comments will be locked indefinitely and you will never post another comment on another Bios Baptist Church video until we get a new pastor. And how do we get a new pastor? The old one has to pass away first. And my grandmother lived until 96. And she just died of natural causes. And another one of my grandparents lived until about 104. So you got a long time. Longevity runs in the family. So you got a long time of positive intercession from God to deal with me. But if I keep getting negative intercession from the public, I don't want it. God runs the church. This isn't my church. This is God's church. But if you come into Bios and you keep making these negativity comments, I'm not going to listen to it. But God is going to stop it by shutting the comments off until the day of my funeral. And that's not going to be for how long? 85 plus years. So enjoy not commenting for 85 years. Then don't put swear words in there. The man over there gardening, fussing. So, therefore, all you have to do is follow it, right? It's right here. It's right here. No swearing. Because I hate the swearing. That's one reason why I left public school for cyber school. Because I couldn't take all the swearing. But I'm not here to fuss about that. I'm here to get people to come to church. And when they are here, now what? I educate them in this classroom in the spirit. Let me show you the classroom. This is our classroom. So when you see it, you know. So you got a long time of this. Well, it's only a few more years, but it's going to get classroom. Never mind the principal.